Hello guys, how are you? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome! Today we are making homemade ketchup. First of all, I will show you how to make ketchup with basic ingredients. And then I'm going to add the ingredients that I like. Of course, you can add the ingredients that you like. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you very much. Let's start to make the base for our ketchup. This is double concentrate tomato puree, roughly 150 grams. We add a bit of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of garlic powder, and now we add 2 to 3 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. I'm using white wine vinegar, but you can use the vinegar that you like, for example, apple vinegar or balsamic vinegar. A good stir. Now we add water a little at a time, until we reach the right consistency. Now we have a basic ketchup sauce. Yeah, it's really good, but now I'm going to add the spices and herbs that I like. A pinch of curry powder, a pinch of smoked paprika, a pinch of ground cinnamon, a little pinch of ground nutmeg, a pinch of hot chili powder, and a nice pinch of oregano. Now we add a bit of water and we mix well. When the ketchup is ready, you can put it in a container and keep in the fridge for 4 or 5 days. Yeah, it's perfect. Of course, you can add the spices and herbs that you like. Be creative. See you soon!